Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, I will explain the option edge rip in Creo parametric sheet metal modeling. I opened a sheet metal workbench. Here you can see here rip option, that is called edge rip. So what does this command do? That I will show you in this video. We can use this edge rip option in different ways. First thing I will show, first we need to generate a sheet, then only you can use this option. Now these options are checked out. So I generate a sheet, I select plane, I go to sketch, I create one sheet with some thickness. I go for extrude option. Here select extrude as wall. I give some thickness, some 2 mm thickness, 300 mm width or 200 mm width. Then I go for OK. We got a sheet. Now you can see here edge rip option. First, how can we use this edge rip option? For that, I go to split area option. I select on the surface, create a closure profile. Some profile I create like this, like this, like this. A closure profile. Split area, nothing but that option. It splits based on the sketch. It splits the sheet in this sketch profile, using this sketch profile. See, I go for OK. See here, keep arrow inside, then go for OK. Nothing but you can see here the edges formed on that sheet. Using this split area, we split this sheet and this area in this closure profile, it is showing separately on that sheet. Then to bend this sheet, see, if you want to bend this sheet, we can't directly go into bend option. See, I go to bend, I try to select this edge. See, I select a point here and I select a point here, endpoints. Then this you can't go into this. So I'm trying to bend this sheet, this portion of sheet, but it's not accepting. Instead of closure profile, if it is open, we can simply use this option bend. See, for example, I'll show you another one. I go to again the split area option. I select this surface. Now I create a line, an open line connecting to these edges. Then I go for OK. See here, arrow this side, I go for OK. Now you can see here this portion is separated from this sheet. Now I directly go to bend option. Now I select this edge. See here, 90 degrees bend you can see here. You can give angle also, 30 degrees. I want to bend 30 degrees. I want to bend 90 degrees. Enter. See, like this. We can bend. We can also reverse this. So the same type I want to bend. See, when I select the edge and moving this point to the edges, see, it's showing error. In that case, first rip that edges. See, edge rip. this edge should be fixed while bending, so we need to select these edges. Holding control, do select all the edges. Then go for OK. See, now we applied edge rip option. Then I go for bend. I select on this edge. I I coincide this point to one corner and this point to the other corner. I just move this. See, now this side of the sheet is opened, see, with some angle. See, I go for OK. See, like this we need to use rip edges option, and we need to select all the edges. If you can also change the angle. I go to bend option, edit definition. I want 30 degrees to be opened. See, like this you can use this option, edge rip. So to open this type of doing this type of stamping operations like that, to open a sheet at some portion, we use this option. Before using this option, we need to split the area. Like this we can use edge rip option. And another way, see, for example, another way we can use this option is I go to sketch, I create a closed profile, a rectangle. I go for OK. Now I apply extrude option. See, normally extrude, if you use in part, it adds solid to the closed profile, whereas the extrude option in sheet metal, it adds a sheet. With some thickness. I reverse this. See, we got like this. Then of course bend radius also you can see here. While extruding, you can see here fillet also applied to the sharp edge. If you don't want to apply bend radius, then go for extrude, edit definition. Here in option, just check out this radius option, then we get a sharp edges. See, like this. Now to convert this into sheet, see, normally when you bend a sheet, this edge will not coincide. Both the walls of the sheet will not coincide. This will be separately, you can see, for a sheet metal parts. In that case, we can apply edge rip option to split into walls. See, like this. I selected 4 edges. See, now it splits a sheet into number of walls, 4 walls, like that. You can utilize this option, or else I go to part, I create one block, going into sketch, extrude, now I want to convert this into sheet metal. For that, in Creo sheet metal, go to operation, convert to sheet metal, then go for shell option, give the thickness required for that, 2 mm, go for OK. Here you need to use the shell, select the sheet, the top surface. See, now it will be opened, and it looks like a sheet metal with some 2 mm thickness, a box type, but it is not fully converted into sheet metal. Say suppose I want to apply flat option for this edge. See, even though we are in a sheet metal modeling, and with some thickness, uniform thickness, so of course it is showing like a sheet metal wall, but when you apply flat or a flange or a sheet metal operations, see, it won't accept, it is not taking at all, it is not this wall is not considering a sheet at all. Then in that case also we can apply edge rip option. We can split this walls into sheets, into different sheets. We can convert this into totally a sheet metal form. I delete this flat option. Now here edge rip, in this case we can't directly split the walls. See, I select the edge and I go for OK. See, now it is not accepting, you will get error. So in this case, if you have a box which is created in the part itself, getting this box from the part modeling, then to convert this into sheet metal, before going into edge rip option, go to bend, not bend, edge bend, go to edge bend option here with some radius. See here, bend radius something, here you can give. By giving bend radius to the base, see now we gave edge bend to the base. Now go to edge rip option, see here, now it splits over here, see, then go for OK. See, like this. Now it is totally converted into sheet. Now you can apply sheet metal operations. So for that sheet, see here, I applied flat. See, a sheet is formed to that edge. Like this we need to use, we have to use edge rip option in different ways. It has sub options in that also. See, I select that edge rip, I go to edit definition, see here, go to placement, open. Here also you can change the sub options, open. Here also you can see open. Blind, if you select blind option, you can give the values here. See here, I give some 3 mm, then it is moved 3 mm to one side, to the other side 5 mm, like this. Minus also we can give, I think. See, you can give a gap as you can any value. Blind gap, here it accepts only one value. Gap some 2 mm, equally it moves on both sides. Overlap, so like this you can rip in any type using this option. In this also you need to apply edge rip option for this side also, or else you can't apply. See here, the sheet metal options, see, it's not showing. So this side also we need to apply edge rip option to convert that part into totally a sheet metal, then go for OK. See, this side it splits. Now I apply a wall to this edge. So like this we need to use edge rip option. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, share and subscribe Imperial CAD system.